Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? And that question brought together 21 like-minded people with service to mankind on their minds and Lionism in their hearts to come together to form Lions Club of Safalgura Greater. Namaste. It gives me, Lion Beena Ramesh, immense joy and pride to walk you through our success story as a club in the leadership category. Leadership is a set of skills that can be learned by training, perception, practice, and experience over time. We are a club with e-governance, digitization, and paperless administration as a ground policy set by our leaders. Presenting to you the brains and the brawn of our club and the success stories of our leaders. Lion Ashok Gaud, MJF. Our charter president, Lion Ashok Gaud, is a very resourceful person, leading from the front in all the activities to serve the needy. He has served in the capacity of past district cabinet treasurer, LCIF coordinator, and currently is the district chairperson for the WOW project. Truly a hands-on leader, inspiring us all to be present wherever there is a need for a lion to serve from day one of our club's birth. Lion Ashok Gaud, MJF. Past District Governor, Lion Ramesh Lakshmanan, PMJF. Lion Ramesh Lakshmanan, District Governor in the Lionistic year 2015-16, currently serves the Lions fraternity in the capacity of multiple GLT coordinator. He is a leader who needs no introduction in the district, multiple or beyond. Lion Ramesh Lakshmanan, the torchbearer of our club, believes in empowering and inspiring people by sharing his vision and leading the change in innovative ways. One of the many highlights of his term as DG was the WOW, Wealth Out of Waste project, an ongoing success story recognized by Government of India Swachh Bharat program for being an eco-friendly and innovative initiative, wherein about 35 tons of waste paper was collected for recycling in single year that contributed to saving over 740 trees, 37 cubic meters of landfill space, 875 kiloliters of water, 15,144 units of energy, and most importantly, reduction of 32.31 metric tons of carbon dioxide, in turn promoting the need for sustainable education. Involving the non-Lions too with mega awareness drives on diabetes and AIDS and inspiring them to join Lionism has been one of his greatest contributions. Besides serving the humanity in all the fields Lions Club International focuses on. He is also sought after faculty for district governors, vice district governors, RLLI, DLLI and ALLI,
which is led by District Governor Lion Ramesh Lakshmanan. Ladies and gentlemen, await for your opportunity to be a part of this journey where all of us learn when the young adult.
We, the Lions Club International District 316CE, launching today our proud project of Young Minds Nation First, a program which is for the school children of 8th and 9th class of underprivileged and government school children. So we have trained so far about 6,000 students.
Open up, open up, open up, open
Congratulate Ramesh Lakshmanan for taking responsibility and organizing in such a nice manner.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Lion Kompella Krishnamurthy, a regional chairperson in his DG term and in charge of the nation's first quiz, now leads us as our district governor. An FDI, FDS and LCIP graduate, a trainer, a mentor and a source of inspiration not only to the members of our district, Lion Ramesh Lakshmanan influences lions and non-lions alike in our multiple and beyond. The young and old, the lions and the non-lion leaders in the making, especially the youth, continue to be influenced with the leadership qualities of Lion Ramesh Lakshmanan PMJF, and we are immensely proud of him in our club. Lion Chunku Srinivas MJF. Lion Chunku Srinivas, a stalwart leader, takes inspiration from Lion Ramesh Lakshmanan in leadership and lionism. A man of few words, he lets his actions speak for himself. A charter member of our club, he has served the Lions Club International in the capacity of president of our club, ZC and RC, and serves the district as chief editor of the district directory this Lionistic year. It fills our hearts with Lionistic pride to let the fraternity know that 60% of our club members are permanent members of the Lions Life Charitable Trust. Lion Chunku Srinivas, a humble philanthropist, has been the Lion leader behind the design, architecture and construction of the KLDC building, Golden Jubilee Lions Charitable Trust Complex and the new J.M. Bansal Surgical Wing at the MS Reddy Eye Hospital. Lion Chunku Srinivas, MJF. Lion Ranganathan Kannan, PMJF. Lion Kannan, a jovial lion with a heart of gold, a generous philanthropist, also inspired by Lion Ramesh Lakshmanan, has led our club to greater heights since his term as president of our club. Currently, he serves as a ZC in our district 320C. From bursts of laughter to courage and kindness, Lion Kannan continues to inspire other Lion members to contribute in every way possible. He has touched the lives of many a needy through his generous contributions of his treasure and time. Lion Kannan, along with our IPP Lion Venkata Subramanian, continue to lead from the front in the field of service to the mankind by being instrumental in mobilizing resources to help the downtrodden and in uplifting and sponsoring education of needy children. Lion R. Kannan. Lion V. Padmaja, MJF. PP, PDS and our membership chairperson holds the distinction of being the first Lady Lion FDI graduate in the district. She is recipient of the International Presidential Medal and the Best Secretary and President Awards in the district and multiple. Lion V. Padmaja. Going by 2 E's of empathy and empowerment, this Lionistic year, our club is led by Lion Beena Ramesh Pillai, Lion Chitralekha and Lion Lakshmi Venkat, who are also inspired by leaders of our club. On the call of the Lions Clubs International and inspiration from the tall leaders of our club, we, the members of Lions Club of Safalgura Greater, take the pledge to be a model club in our district and start a Leo Club to inspire and initiate the global citizens of future into the joy of serving. We strive to be an exemplary example for leadership. We are forever humbled to be a part of this gracious community. Long live Lionism. Thank you. Namaste.